How to turn off inbox sync on TripIt. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this TripIt video tutorial, you would learn how you can turn off inbox sync on TripIt. So how do you do this? It's very simple. The first step is to launch the TripIt application. Once you've launched that, you'll be brought to the TripIt application page and the trips page to be precise. Once you're on this page, move to the bottom right corner and click on the account icon. By clicking on the account icon, select your profile name. And so once you're brought to the profiles page, the next step is for you to select the email address whose inbox sync you would like to turn off. Then on the email address page, you can see turn off inbox sync. Just tap on the toggle here and then you wait for um, it to be updated, and then just like that the inbox sync would be turned off. It's as simple as that. Once it's showing gray color, it shows that it has been turned off, and yeah, good to go. That is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.